and welcome to Healthy Home Cooking. Today we are making balsamic vinaigrette. To make a balsamic vinaigrette, you want to start out with a high quality balsamic vinegar. Look for one with a 4% acidity, if I can say the word. You want 1 1/4 cups of the vinegar. Pour it into your blender. Mine is a vacuum blender, but it can be any blender. It doesn't have to be a high speed, just a vacuum blender. Add to that 1/4 cup of rice vinegar, 1/4 cup of lime juice. If you don't have lime juice, you can substitute lemon juice or even orange juice. We're going to use 1/2 cup of stone ground or Dijon mustard. One whole cup of nutritional yeast. One can of pears that you have drained, and in the drain, the fluid that's drained from the pears, you want to put 1/2 tablespoons of chia seeds and leave them soak for about 5 minutes before you make the recipe. About 4 cloves of garlic, I'm going to go a little heavy on that because I really like it that way, and a tablespoon of onion powder. Get the extra in there. Then close your blender, and you're just going to process the whole thing until it's smooth. Now, because I have a vacuum blender and I'm going to pull a vacuum. Okay, I'm going to remove my vacuum and turn on my machine. If you like this machine, I did an unboxing of it in a previous video, so please look. And we are going to turn it on. And that's it. I repurpose old bottles for my salad dressing. So let's get it off here. Remove the vacuum. And then pop the seal. Ooh, it smells delicious. And it's nice and thick. And that's because of the chia seeds we added. It does make a lot, so I think I'm going to be needing another bottle. I'm not going to push my luck anymore. I'll just put the rest in a tiny container because there's like a tablespoon or 2 left in there. Since I'm in my own home, I'm going to give it a taste test. Delicious. You can put those over any salad greens, or what I think I'm going to do tonight is I'm going to use it as a dipping sauce for my French fries that I cut up and I put them in my air fryer. And you can see that being done on another video about my air fryer. Thank you for watching me make the balsamic vinaigrette. Be healthy and keep on cooking.